Hi guys, from Stella Camera Girl. Today we going to unbox this Godox light. It's a LED light ML100B. It's bicolor and it should have 120 watts. So mine is the kit one, as you can see here, which means it comes with this bundle. Don't look here because this is kit 2 and it's not this, is this one. This is how the light looks. I will unbox and show you now. And it doesn't come with this. This is a power bank that can be, you can use whatever power bank you want and can be powered from the power bank. This is very good. I bought it because of this also, because I need it to bring it with me outside. It's versatile and it's also not that, it's kind of a little bit, of course, is a little bit heavy, but not that heavy that my non-light light, which is now illuminating this scene, let's say. So let's unbox it and see what is inside this wonderful box. Oh my god, I love it so much. Okay, so oh my god. There's nothing inside the box. My cats will love to play with the box now. So this is how it looks. The pouch. It's a pouch. It's very beautiful pouch and so what do you have here? This, oh, you can play. So this is the pouch. Looks like this, and what is inside? The moment of the. Okay, so probably, yeah, it's enough light. So this is what's inside. This is some informative paper with some other things that are selling with Godox, and these are the modifiers. And here we have the paper manual. Always love it. I really love that the company put paper manuals, but this is in Chinese. Okay, no, there is also in English. Okay, here. Oh, great, there is in English also. Good. This is to read. I will study it. Always love that they put papers inside. And here we got the things. So this is the Fresnel lens. Is one Fresnel, should have two. It's probably here the second one inside. Let's see. Yes. So it has two Fresnel lens. It's so small. It is smaller than I imagine it. I mean, when I look other videos on YouTube, looks bigger, but this is so small actually, and it is so much smaller actually. I'm surprised. I'm good surprised, but it's very heavy. It's small, but and looks like plasticky, but it's heavy, and it's it's kind of good plastic. I like it. So okay, this is the light. This is the Fresnel. Second Fresnel. One is 15 degree, and another should be written here. ML100BI. There are different degrees, but I have to read to be sure what I'm saying. And here we have also the mount, and I like it really much that it has this one. So no, no, I cannot put it on the normal tripod, simple tripod. Okay, I thought that it will have here for the simple tripod, for the video photo tripod, like the plate, but no, it doesn't have. Anyways, so here it will be put here. I will put it later and show you. These are metal, very good one. It's not plastic, it's metal, good quality metal actually. And this is for the umbrella, which is very good. So I didn't buy any modifiers because they didn't have in the store, and I wanted to buy the ML to the adapter to the Bowens, but they finished, and they will be in 3 months again. So I will have to buy it probably from the United States, from B&H, not to wait. And I will buy from B&H also for B&H America, also for the non-light. So I have bought because the non-light 60B, 60 Forza 60 have also the small mount. So I cannot put anything on this light to diffuse it. But this, at least I can use at least the umbrella. I didn't know, so I'm going to buy the umbrella next, so I can use it with the umbrella. This is good. Okay, here we have the it's missing something. Oh, we have more things here. That's good. Okay, this is the power supply, not the power bank, the power supply. To connect it, looks like this, and this one should be connected here. This is not very nice made, I can say. It will fall off very soon after few using, because it's a rubber and it doesn't open at the end. So it will fall off. As you can see here, this thing, I already can see how it's falling off. So it's bad. This is made bad, but all the rest I like it. Okay, so we have this one here, and we have an USB-C. As you can see it here, an USB-C for the my goodness, Godox. The USB-C for the power supply, and what is this? This is for yeah, this is for the. Okay, I like it how it is working. It works well. And here we have the power and the mode, and this is the rotating thing to change the mode, and the two coolers, and this is how the light actually looks. Yeah, here this is how it looks. Yeah, it's really compact. It's amazingly compact. Amazingly compact. Okay, so let's say like this, and here this one is for the power bank. On the paper looks white, but no, it's black. This is white. Okay, so it should have also this one. We will see now, the mini tripod. So this is a rubber band. This is metal, this is plastic. These are metal, the plates here. 1 and 2 is metallic, all the rest is plastic. And it goes here like this. And that one goes here on this one. Yeah. I'm not gonna put it now because I want to show you all the things, what's inside the box. And to put it like this for the to hold the power bank. And here we have, this one is for the transportation, if it's needed, for example. You can transport it like this because we receive it like this, so it goes perfectly inside, as you can see. Yeah, it's even here. So, but it also can be put like this for protection, and it's really nice that it has the protection. This is the protection. It's only to store it and not to use it because it may fry the light. It's not a diffuser or something. It may fire it, so be careful. And here, oh, here it has a protection. Yeah, it's a protection glass for the. I will clean it later, but yeah, for the LED. So what we have here more, this is the cable for the power supply, and this is the mini tripod if I want to, for example, perfect that it has mini tripod, perfect. Okay, so I can use this, for example, to place it on the stand, light stand. With this standard, it goes to any light stand. And I can also use this one, and it has this, it's very nice actually. So and we will open it here. This is metallic and this is plastic. These are, it's like the frame. What is this? Wow, it can be, oh, that's awesome. It can be extended. So you have to press both sides, here and here. So it can be extended. That's nice. Okay. Yeah. And also small, for example, if I want to make it small, like this. Oh my god, like this. The tripod is not that perfect, let's say, but it's good. It does the job. The most important thing is the light and the Fresnels. The Fresnels, perfect. So basically, this is the thing. I really love the pouch. I really love it. It's a good quality pouch and it looks super beautiful. So I can just go like this. Ta-da! It's very beautiful. To me personally, I love it. And here it has this just for the protection, this one, and it's good to put something. Here it's also for the water protection. That's good. It has the plastic. Okay, I will leave this inside because it gives the protection in case of the knocking. So it goes like this. This is basically everything once again, what we have? We have, and of course, I will show you later the quality of the light. So we have the pouch, we have the power supply inside the box. The power supply, very good quality cable. I mean, it's good. It's good. This one, very nice. And we have the light with the tripod. We have two Fresnel lens. We have the holder for the power bank and the light holder for the light stand. So probably you can see everything here. Yeah. And this is the first Godox light that I bought, and I'm going to buy more from Godox because I need more lights, and I also need strobes for photos because I'm planning to do again photos. Photography I didn't do for some years, and I really want to start again to do photos also. So I will need strobe lights, professionals, and next month I will buy also professional lights from Godox, like 200 Pro or 100 Pro. Probably will be 200. The 200 Pro, yes. Yes, this is my enter into the Godox lights, and probably I will like it. Probably because I say probably because I didn't try it also the light now. I just bought it and unboxing with you, but I'm going to see how it performs, and I'm pretty sure that I will like it. Also because it's a bicolor, and I also want to buy a color light next from Godox. I wanted to buy it now, but I thought that this I need first because I need not versatility, but travel light to travel in the city for different video shoots, and I need small light, travel light. And because these are going very fast, but selling. But that one is not selling very fast because it costs more. So I can buy it next month, for example. I have nothing more to say. This is it about Godox. See you in the next video with the trying of this. And I also have to make a video about the trying video about my Sennheiser MK4 because I didn't make the video how I use it. It was only the unboxing video, but now I have to make a video for you how I use it and how it sounds. I absolutely love that microphone. I love all my microphones. I have 5 already, 6. With this one I have 6 microphones. This is a set of the microphone. I will make a video about this DJI Mic Mini. It's a set of microphones, not professional, sorry, wireless microphone from my DJI, and I will make a video. I was busy the next month, and I have also. A flu and didn't make any videos. I didn't want to make videos. When I look bad, I don't make videos. So see you next time with a couple of more videos. Will be about this light and about the microphones. Bye bye.